Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Coastside Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Sacramento area. And today they're here to enlighten us about their True Pulse Protocol treatment. Medical technician Miles Broadhead joins us live this morning. Good morning, Miles.
Good morning, Desiree. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, Miles, what is erectile dysfunction and how does it affect the quality of life for men and their partners?
Well, it all comes down to blood flow. Those blood vessels, for a number of reasons, can become constricted. Sometimes they're dying out. Diet, obesity, high blood pressure, these can all contribute to ED. The good news is with our protocol, we have a pain-free, non-invasive way to treat that, which is a far cry from the pill, surgery, or needles.
And it's so common, but why do so many men wait to seek out treatment for ED?
Well, unfortunately, this subject is still very taboo. It's not exactly dinner table conversation. A lot of guys feel very embarrassed to bring it up, sometimes even to their partners and sometimes even to their doctors. 71% of men who go through issues with ED are not talking about it and not doing anything about it. So we're here to open up that conversation and remind you guys, this is a medical condition, guys. You're still a man, you're still very normal, but it's like eyesight. Once it starts to go, you're going to need some help to get it corrected.
And you mentioned it earlier, but could you remind us what are some of the causes of ED?
So the most typical ones are high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity. But guys, you can't diet and exercise your way out of this. I have a friend who was in a car accident, caused a TBI that gave him issues with ED.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes these are mental conditions. A lot of times what happens is, though, that people experience symptoms of ED and they get checked out, and it actually leads to them discovering something else about their health.
And what are the traditional methods for treating ED, and how is your treatment different?
Oh boy, hang on. So typically, I mean, you've had three choices in the past. You've had surgery, which they're quite literally installing some hardware into you. You've had needles and injections, and we won't talk about where that needle goes. But typically, most often, you have the pill. The pill comes with its own set of side effects: blurred vision, sudden rush of blood into all extremities. Harvard reported it doesn't even work on 30% of guys, and it only masks the symptoms. No mind, you will be taking that pill for life.
And how is acoustic wave therapy helping your clients, and what is the estimated success rate for this treatment?
Well, this is a technology, it's not a machine, which means it's pretty much good for everybody. It helps the blood vessels to expand, to oftentimes even repair themselves. So we are treating the root cause of the issue, not just masking the symptoms like the pill. The treatments are very short. They're only about 15 minutes in our clinic. That's why we nicknamed the lunch break treatment. And it's really opening up and giving hope to guys who really can't or have not responded to traditional methods.
And you have a special offer for our YCL viewers. Could you tell us about that?
Oh, yeah, I love giving away the free, and today's no exception. So give us a call and do it right now, guys. Don't live another day with ED. We're going to give you the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound all for free. It's a testament to how confident we are in our product. Plus, we'll give you an additional gift just for coming in, provides powerful results in the bedroom. That's going to be free as well. But pick up the phone right now, guys, and give us a call. You don't have to live with this.
Alrighty, Miles with Coastside Clinic, thank you so much. And for more information, you can visit coastsideclinic.com.